Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is March 31st, 2021, the last day of the month. Moving forward. So March has gone quickly, and we're doing well. So we're pushing into April. Before you know it, we'll be hitting May, and we will be moving on. So okay. So today we have a do now. Okay, and that do now is based on the word chance. I would be willing to take a chance if I thought blank. Okay? So that could be anything. I would be willing to take a chance if I thought that I might make the team. I would be willing to take a chance if I thought I might get the job. I would be willing to take a chance if I thought that I would be safe. Something like that. So I want you guys to use that. Chance is basically like kind of take that risk, if that makes sense. Okay, so the last 2 days we have been focusing on analyzing that essay, right, where they analyze two different characters. Okay, so now we're getting into where you guys will kind of plan your own and start beginning to write your own essay based on two characters from the book. Okay, so writing prompt says choose two characters from either the lottery or the Hunger Games, or one character from each. Write an essay analyzing the characters' attitudes about their community's annual traditions. Okay. All right, so excuse me, yawning again. This prompt is asking me to choose what? Okay, what is this prompt asking you to choose? We just read it right here. Okay, and then it's asking you to analyze what? Okay. All right, so the prompt is asking me to choose blank, and two is you're analyzing what? Okay. All right, so now it says analyze evidence. Consider a character from the lottery or the Hunger Games. Discuss what the text evidence tells you about how this character feels about the community's annual lottery. Okay, so you may have two characters in mind already. You may need to look back. Okay, there's plenty of characters for you to analyze. Okay, so they used Mr. Summers. The lottery was conducted by Mr. Summers, who had time and energy to devote to civic activities. Okay, so that's a direct quote from the book, right? Okay, now text analysis. What this tells me, he always runs the lottery. He must find it somewhat enjoyable because he keeps doing it. Keeps finding a way back to it, right? Okay, so what else about Mr. Summers does the text tell us? Let's just take a look at this. The text said, although Mr. Summers knew the answer perfectly well, it was the business of the office of the lottery to ask such questions formally. Okay, so we know that he follows the rules carefully and he respects the tradition of the lottery. Okay, all right, good. So if you need those, you can fill those in. Okay, so here is where the next page, this is where you will choose your two characters. You need to go back to the text and get direct quotes from the text. And then you need to write in what this tells you. Okay? Alright, so they use Tessie Hutchinson and Old Man Warner. Okay? These are both from the lottery. Okay? Alright, so I want you to pick your two. What are the two characters you want to analyze and write about? They should be two that you're somewhat interested in, that you feel like you know pretty well from the stories. Go find direct quotes from the book, okay? And then what does this tell you? These will be your quotes over here, okay? All right, I hope that makes sense to everybody. Today is kind of the beginning of working through that and kind of chiseling out what you want to use. Okay, which characters you want to use. All right, so we're gonna end up with a nice paper in front of us. Okay, a nice essay that you type up and write, just like the one that we've been analyzing the last couple of days. But this is the start of it. Okay, where you pick your characters and start to analyze them. All right, please reach out if you have questions. Work hard and have a great day.